If you own an auto detailing business, you know how important it is to stay organized and keep track of everything from appointments to payments. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up Housecall Pro for your auto detailing business in a few easy steps. This software can help you streamline your entire business. So stay tuned because I've got some insider tips to make sure you're getting the most out of it. And by the way, you can get started with Housecall Pro for completely free using the first link in the description below, along with some exclusive bonuses. First, once you've created your Housecall Pro account, you'll want to start by customizing your business profile. This is where you'll add all your business information, such as your name, contact details, and logo. Your business profile is essential because it ensures that all customer-facing communications look professional. Make sure to upload a high-quality logo and set up your email notifications. Next, you'll need to configure your service list. Housecall Pro allows you to customize services and create packages, which is perfect for an auto detailing business where you may offer different levels of service, like basic washes, full details, waxing, or specialty services. You can set pricing for each service and even define time slots so you're never overbooked. You'll also want to categorize your services under specific labels so customers can easily select the service they want when booking online. Speaking of bookings, let's talk about setting up your scheduling. Housecall Pro makes it easy to sync your calendar, which can help you avoid double bookings or missed appointments. You can even allow customers to book their own appointments through your website, which can save you time and ensure you don't miss any opportunities. The online booking feature also lets you control the availability for each service. For example, if you need a certain amount of time for a full detailing job, you can set that up in the system. Once you've got your services and scheduling in place, the next step is setting up payment options. With Housecall Pro, you can accept credit cards and even set up recurring payments if you offer packages or memberships. This is especially useful for auto detailing businesses that may have returning customers. Housecall Pro also integrates with other payment processors, so you're covered no matter which method your customers prefer. Make sure to test this feature so you're ready when it's time to collect payments from clients. Another great feature of Housecall Pro is the automated reminders. You can set up automated text and email reminders for both you and your customers, which will help reduce no-shows and missed appointments. You can even automate follow-ups, asking customers to leave reviews or schedule their next appointment. This keeps your customers engaged and your business running smoothly without having to do everything manually. You can also take advantage of Housecall Pro's built-in marketing tools. They allow you to send promotional messages to your clients about upcoming sales or seasonal offers. This is a great way to keep your customers informed and boost your revenue, especially in a competitive market like auto detailing. If you want to go a step further, Housecall Pro also lets you track your expenses, payments, and even your team's performance. This can be especially helpful when you're growing your business and need insights into how things are running. You can view detailed reports to see which services are most popular or what areas need improvement. Finally, let's talk about your mobile experience. Housecall Pro has a mobile app that allows you to manage everything while you're on the go. Whether you're scheduling appointments, accepting payments, or communicating with your team, it's all at your fingertips. This feature alone can save you a ton of time and help you stay organized while you're out on jobs. So, if you're looking to take your auto detailing business to the next level and make your workflow more efficient, Housecall Pro is an incredible tool to help you do just that. Don't forget, you can get started with a free trial using the link in the description below, along with some exclusive bonuses. This software is designed to help you save time, grow your business, and keep your clients happy. Make sure to take full advantage of the features I mentioned, and you'll be set up for success.